Hey, buddy. This is ready. Hit that roll for Ross. Y'all think, guys, I'm finna get this piece right here. I'm gonna get it chrome, but I'm gonna gold it. I don't want to do too much gold because this right here already gold. I gotta clean them up too. But I thought about blacking the bump out and leaving this here gold, of course. But I don't know. I might do this all gold and leave this chrome right here to blend in with that. I need to go on the order so I can get it done by I leave next month, Lord willing. Need to call my dog Brad too. See if I can make a appointment. See where he is. Wrong Brad, that's the part of Brad. Let me see. There you go. How you doing? How you doing? Need to clean my wheel like these bitches dirty as fuck. Oh, look at this shit, man. I might need to clean these bitches. I need to order some more. That shit just been burnt. Going on, good? What, the valve stem? Huh? The valve stem messed up? Yeah, I figured it was. Because I can push it and move it, that bitch will.
I don't know, we got the right valve stem. It's one that push on one.
Yeah.
And it's usually just a little screw on there.
Yeah.
But, you know, you got different ones, so. I mean, we should make it right though.
Goes on the sensor, ain't it? I got, yeah. Yeah.
I mean, if not, you know, the new sensor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or just a regular valve stem for now. Yeah. Vamos a decir el vato que no tenemos este tipo de sensor. Este tipo. Solamente que le ponga pegamento. Con la máquina.
Will work.
Unless you wanted to fucking put hot glue onto the rim of the sensor. It's not really gonna work like that either. ¿Tiene que si quiere que le ponga un poquito para medio? ¿Con la máquina? ¿Así? Está pegado arriba. Para allí ya no va a echar aire, ¿no?
No, por aquí sí.
Porque el aire viene por acá. Or he said he could put some glue right here. Because either way, the air's gonna come out through this little piece right here.
Yeah.
So you can put some hot glue right there and see if that works.
That's fine. I mean, if it works, if not, I just come back and buy another sensor. That's fine. Yeah. Because it's just one sensor. I mean,
Yeah.
did y'all have them type of sensors?
Yeah, we got one right now.
Them right there?
Yeah.
How much?
70.
$70? Let me see. What kind is it? I might have some at the house. Yeah. So I got some sensors at the house I never use. Gotta be smart, guys. You know what I'm saying? Why spend $70 for a sensor? I ain't got no money like that though. I got it, but I ain't trying to spend it. You know what I'm saying? When I can see what kind it is and go right on Amazon and get it. Like I was saying, guys, check this out. Same sensors that they selling. Tell y'all, put y'all in game, y'all don't know. With the sensors right here. Y'all seen the sensor. $70 for it. One. You get a whole set for $90. That's $22 a sensor. They making a killing. I need to order just sensors and buy these, sell these motherfuckers. But yeah, worst come to worst, I'll just get it in if it don't work, I'll order one and come back up there and pay them whatever it is to put it back on. I'm not paying no $7 for no sensor. Call it cheap all you want. You goddamn right I'm cheap. I never said I had it all. Got me fucked up. So some of y'all might say that's a damn shame. I know you got the money. Just because you got it don't mean you want to spend it. That's how y'all mountain them big motherfucking off-road tires, man. Y'all see a little boy in the back seat? Just beating them. They're working them. They got it. Cause I'm gonna get copyrighted from this music. Don't know what the fuck they saying, boy, I can get copyrighted. They had them last time I was up here. They just hit my back one dog.
You the one that does the gold, right?
Yeah,
Let me get your number. I lost all my contacts.
I got it. I got it.
Publicly, right?
Yeah, I'll give you a card for me. Yeah, 850-495-9569. I got some cards, so I'll leave in the thing and that's what I want to do it.
You want to do gold, eh? You want to do gold, right?
Yeah. Appreciate that. Thought I had some cards in here somewhere. I gave all them bitches out. Thank you, motherfucking some more bitches. Yeah, I ran out of them. I gotta get them. I'll bring some up here. My shit junky as fuck up here, guys. Pay attention to this shit. Oh shit, I took them out there at the house. Yeah, I ain't got one. Fuck it. Ready? What I owe you, boss? What you doing? What I owe you?
I gotta run to the house and grab
The moment of truth, guys. Let me see. No, my ABS light on. That's why I got to get with Brad to get that off. Oh shit, that bitch went off too. You don't see that tire pressure light on. You don't see it. So why in the hell am I gonna spend $70 on a sensor when I can get 4 for $90? And I only spent $64 today. It would have been damn near $150. Come on, man, you gotta think smart sometimes, man. Just because you got it don't mean you gotta spend it. And that's for real. Now I gotta get this man some cards and bring them back. Oh, I'll drop them back off here because Scoop tires should be in soon, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring the tire scoot up here and let him put his tires on. I'm about to do tires, so I'm gonna bring them up here, get them mounted, so we'll be good. I ain't worried about it. Nah. Get my butt to the house and just stop by Hibbett's real quick. The new 4s came out, the cement 4s. Cuz already picked them up for me. I need to find a t-shirt to go with them. So, hey guys, till next time. Y'all know who it is, man. Go and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, man, and let it ding ding. So every time I post something, you gonna hang out with me. I told you, boy, we hang out over here, boy. We gets it in. We hang out. Playing my Prince in the background. I will play it, hell. But get copyrighted from the Mexicans anyhow. But till next time, guys. Y'all be easy. Peace. I like these damn New Balance, boy. These bitches smack. The wife just bought me a pair of these right here. She got me the gray looking one. Like them bitches there. That's a nice ass fit. I like that there. Sorry, true legical, man. I had my pair of these bitches in a minute. Oh, they got my size too. They're going for. Hey. That's the thing, though. Look at that shit. I pay $170 for some jeans or some shit like that, though. But don't want to pay $70 for the damn sensor. Boy, I tell you, my shit fucked up. Yeah, they ain't got shit in here. I need to get me a hat to go with my. I might shoot to the mall real quick. Yeah, I'll probably shoot to the mall. Y'all didn't get no shirts to go to New Fold?
No, man. They'll probably send some after the fact.
Man, that's crazy, man.
Like they used to back in the day, seeing it fold before you get the shoe.
Yeah, for real, though. That's crazy.